Hi everybody, Dave Aquino with Basecamp Trading. So this morning we got the press conference from Jackson Hole, and Chairman Powell basically reiterated a lot of information about the way the Federal Reserve is thinking about interest rates, and basically gave us a green light going forward that sometime in September, probably the next meeting, that we should go ahead and start to expect the Federal Reserve to start cutting interest rates. He did not give any clue as to 25 basis points or 50 basis points, but it did not seem like he was particularly alarmed, with any weakness in the economy. So most likely that we're going to see a quarter-point rate cut, at least as of right now. I know we get the PCE number next Friday, a week from today, and that may influence it a little bit, but I think they would only cut by 50 basis points if the market, if the economy showed a lot of weakness, which it has not. Retail sales is still pretty strong. So looking at the market's reaction, the initial reaction, he started making comments. It was to the bullish side. We already had a bullish gap higher. So we definitely pushed up towards yesterday's high. And then we put in a topping pattern, and we quickly sold off back to 5,600. And 5,600 I want you to pay attention to, because we've touched that several times. We went back towards the high, came up a little bit short, back to 5,600. Now this time we were able to sit on 5,600 a bit, had a little bit of weakness just before 1 o'clock. We're staging a nice little reversal of this downside move. Now, I don't know if we're going to continue this move higher, maybe find some resistance around 5,625, and again, maybe make a move back towards 5,600. I wouldn't generally say that today is somewhat bullish, at least compared to where we closed, and definitely because yesterday we had a lower low. I think the market will be relatively patient now. I don't anticipate a huge sell-off. I think we're going to test the 8-day EMA, and from then see what the market really wants to do. This is the last. This next week is the last full week of August. And traditionally, that's been one of the slowest weeks of the year. That's the Wall Street's traditional summer vacation. And if not for NVIDIA earnings Wednesday after the bell and the PCE number on Friday morning, the market generally would be just flat, quiet, and very little volume. But we'll see what we get next week. Just today, we get a little bit of volatility. Market is still up, but again, we're not taking off to the upside. Technically, we're inside bar today, lower high and higher low, and we'll see what the market does with this tomorrow. But again, market was generally pleased with the Fed's chair's comments, but pretty much as expected. Thanks.